Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. For new users of this device, you can watch this video till the end to enable fast charging. First of all, please open the settings menu. And then here you can scroll down. And then you can select battery and device care option. And then click the battery option and scroll down. And then here you can select more battery settings. After that, here you can enable the following options. Okay, and then the fast charging on your device is successfully active. That's the tutorial on how to enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.